We're here today on part of the Appalachian Highlands Birding Trail. This is called Shoal Creek Park, Montevallo, Alabama. So this is a pretty nice, easy hike. Anybody in central Alabama could make it here. So let's go walk and see how this goes.
Yeah, well, there's a bunch of people that are moving that can. My niece, I think probably, I wouldn't be surprised.
Well, we have paths branching off everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but the shade's over here.
It's like, get through here, there should be a good block of cheese at the end of the thing, right? A lot of freshly mowed, easy trails to walk on. It's really nice. Have some wind today and big fields of goldenrod. Ann complained about me getting her butt in the film too much last time.
See what now?
Well, it's nice looking down there. What are these called?
They're called blue mountain mist flowers.
Blue mountainous flowers.
And they're so pretty.
Still out. They're so pretty.
They're nice. I think that's some kind of little aster.
Yeah, we've got a
at my house.
combination of white and that purple you like.
And goldenrod.
That's cool. Yeah, and,
Yes, I do.
and some goldenrod.
This is what we saw, and look at the bees are still loving it. This is what we saw, our big patch I saw at that arboretum thing we were at.
What are these things that are dead? Ann, what are these things that are dead? That you said were real pretty?
Ironweed, you mean? The ironweed.
Ironweed. Okay.
This is not ironweed. This is something else. Unless it's...
That's the same thing as this.
Yeah, but the dead head on an ironweed doesn't... Stop it, Jeff.
She's
not very seasoned.
Isn't she going into 5th grade? Isn't she going into 5th grade?
She's in 5th grade.
Yeah.
She's in 5th grade.
He said I was in 4th grade. I was
It's pleasant today, not hot, not cold.
That's great. I thought it was going to be cooler than this.
I did too.
I would have worn my shirt, but it's a lot warmer down here than it is in Behan. Oh, there's the camera.
Yeah. I saw it. Don't kick it over.
telephoto, but where I would have got some of that right there. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a nice picture.
That one.
Oh, and so we have instruction on wildflowers and pollinators.
And the bees, look at the bees. They're just still loving it. It says camp.
Yeah, here we are back at the beginning, I guess. No, this is a different bridge.
Is this where we were? Yep.
This is a different bridge. Okay, how far did we go on this trail? 1.57. Okay, not too bad of a trail.
And then they put
You can take longer routes. Now time for lunch.